Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be doing a cleaning video and what it's like to clean with a toddler because it's a handful. So this is just going to be a fun, entertaining video for you guys to watch and see what it's like to get some cleaning done alongside a toddler, I guess, who's trying to help you but not really. I don't know. And I'm so excited because this video is actually going to be in collaboration with the YouTube channel London Life. And this is a family of 3, and she has a little son as well whose name is Ryder. And her husband, Justin, and her name is Rebecca. She's so sweet. She's the first person I ever really connected with on YouTube at all. We both have sons that are close in age. I think her son is around almost like 5 months older than mine. So she's going to be making the same kind of video. If you want to head over to her channel, I'm going to link it down below. And you can watch her and her little man, Ryder, clean and see what it's like for her to get some cleaning done as well.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win?
I just cleaned that. Are you gonna just undo everything I just did, huh? That's how this is gonna go? Okay. You know your mommy's exhausted. Yeah. So like her efforts in cleaning, it's like a really big deal.
I'm on there. Are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine. We found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again. 'Cause you seem like
And this is just the reality of cleaning with a toddler. He just likes to make a mess when you clean everything up.
way too fast, way too fast.
Yes, and he seems very accomplished with himself in what kind of mess he did when mom was trying to clean.
My dear friend, you know I gave in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine. We found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again.
I'm just rewatching this and I'm dying laughing because he just doesn't stop moving. He can't stop moving. I mean, he is exhausting to watch because he is just such a boy and can't sit still, can't not talk for like two seconds, and watching this is just hilarious.
And now he stole the bag of grapes. And I love those grapes. He's gonna ruin them. He's gonna cry if I take them away. I don't know what to do. That's why I normally clean at night. But Mama needs sleep, so it's so
We can't go on again. 'Cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again. 'Cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Be with you, be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Be with you, let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust, and we won't ever get enough. They don't know, they don't know. In your eyes I put my trust. Babe, you're my all-time favorite drug. Let them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know, won't ever know.